Welcome to your EveryListing dashboard, the central hub for managing your real estate listings and expanding your reach. Here, you'll find everything you need to manage your properties, track your success, and promote your listings with ease. At the top, you'll find a personalized greeting and important reminders. These alerts guide you on how to maximize your success on every listing by staying active. In the My Properties section, view your listed properties at a glance. Each card shows the price, location, and key details like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Expand your reach with the Post to Social section. With just one click, share your property listings across platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and many more. Stay connected with your audience and grow your network effortlessly. Track your progress in the Statistics panel. Monitor key metrics, including the number of posts and clicks your properties receive, to understand your performance and optimize your strategy. Communication is key, and the Messages section keeps you in touch with your clients. Easily manage and respond to inquiries to build strong relationships. With EveryListing, everything you need to manage your real estate business is just a click away. Start exploring your dashboard today and unlock the full potential of your real estate journey. Thank you for watching.